Every major transformation in the financial market starts the same way. Very few people understand what's happening. Many are skeptical, and almost everyone arrives late. Have you ever noticed this? Now, today, when we talk about artificial intelligence and quantum computing, the discussion is no longer about the future. Okay, this is already a fact. These technologies are already reshaping companies, businesses, models, and most importantly, the way capital moves in the United States. Understanding the impact of technology on the market is no longer a curiosity. It's become a necessity for anyone who wants to invest with strategy and intelligence. Now, stay with this video until the end if you want to use technology in favor of your money. Now, if you arrived here unintentionally, let me introduce myself. I'm Chad. I'm a presenter for Zero Markets, and in every video, I bring strategic analysis based on insights from our market specialists to help you make better investment decisions. Historically, the US market has always reacted first to every major innovation. It was like this with the internet. It was like this with smartphones. And now it's happening again with artificial intelligence, or AI. Would you agree? AI is not just a modern tool, it's an efficiency multiplier. Companies that know how to use data better, reduce operational costs, and make faster decisions gain a competitive edge. And the market prices this in long before results show up on financial statements. That's why we see technology-related companies driving indices like the S&P 500, for example. The American investor looks less at the novelty itself and more at the real impact on profits, productivity, and market dominance. A clear example is NVIDIA, which has gone from being just a chip company to becoming core infrastructure for the artificial intelligence revolution. The stock price reflects not only the present, but long-term expectations. If by this point you've learned at least 1% more about the market, go ahead and like the video, guys, so YouTube understands you want to receive more content like this. When we move into the field of quantum computing, the reasoning needs to be even more rational. And do you see the logic here? This is a technology with enormous potential. It's capable of solving problems in seconds that would take years today, impacting areas such as finance, healthcare, security, energy. But the strategic investor understands not every promising technology quickly turns into financial return. The market anticipates possibilities, but it also punishes excess. This is where the behavior of the average investor comes in. And here's an important warning for you. Many people enter driven by headline, not fundamentals. They buy when the topic has already become consensus and sell when volatility appears. The more experienced and strategic American investor does the opposite. They gain exposure gradually in a diversified and conscious way using ETFs, market leaders, and a clear view of the economic cycle. That's why understanding the impact of technology on the market is not about chasing trends. It's about knowing where smart capital is positioning itself. And here at Zero, we help you with that. But before we wrap up, understand this. Every technological revolution creates winners long before it creates consensus. Intelligent investors don't try to predict the future. They prepare for it with method, with risk management, and a long-term perspective. That's what a smart investor does. Now, if you want to learn how to interpret these movements more clearly, subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and comment below. Do you believe artificial intelligence is still at the beginning, or has the market already priced everything in? In the next videos, we're going to continue breaking down how to think like a strategic investor without hype and without noise.